welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to make this refreshing drink for summer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support. For the first step, we cut the melon in half and scoop out the insides. In the next step, we use 3 slices of melon to extract the melon juice. After that, we use 15 cc of sweet syrup and 15 cc of mint syrup, and then we mix them well together. After that, we place ice in the glass and use a slice of melon for garnish, and then we add 2 slices of lemon into the glass. In the next step, we add the writing and use a mint flower for the final garnish. I hope you enjoyed this writing. I'll see you in the next video.